Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video, and today I will show you the basic instruction of driving in Finland. So I promised you that I will make a video about the rules of driving and the basic rules that you should follow in Finland. So if you get your driving license from Finland, this is easy for you, but you need to remember that this is expensive to get a driving license from Finland. You need to pay at least 1500 euros to get your driving license. But if you get your driving license from your country, then you can exchange your driving license in Finland. And if you don't know how to exchange your driving license, I have a video on my YouTube channel. You can watch that video and then you can switch or you can transfer your driving license to a Finnish driving license. But every country has some driving rules. So if you learn driving from your country, if you are coming in Finland, you should know some basic rules, how it works. So at first I will tell you those rules, some basic rules, and then I will go around the town. Now I am in Korso town. I will go around the town and I will show you what I am telling you, those rules in the beginning. Okay, so first rules, I think everybody knows about traffic light, so I shouldn't mention, but still I am mentioning in this video. So there is red light, yellow light and green light. So you should know red light means you cannot drive, and yellow light means there's a warning, so you should stop when there is a yellow light, and green light means you can drive. Now if there is no traffic light, okay, so there is a junction where there can be like four different way, and in that case how you will drive in Finland. Okay, so first rules we say right hand driving, right hand priority. Okay, right hand priority means if somebody to your right side, if there is a road to your right side, so he should go first. Okay, and if somebody to your left side, he should go at the end after you. So you will go first, then to the left side, if somebody is to your left side, he will go after you. Okay, so this is one rule I will show you. Third rules is about priority rules. Priority rules is like it should be a triangle to the downside. So if you see this sign in front of you, it means you have to wait for everyone. It means you have to wait to your right. If somebody is to your right, he will go first, and if somebody to your left, he will go, then you will go. So you need to go at the end. If there is a stop sign, it means you have to go after everyone. If somebody to your right, he will go. If somebody to your left, he will go, and then you will go. Okay, now next rules. Okay, so if there is a light like traffic light, and if somebody comes in front of you and he will go to the left, in that case you can drive. Okay, so you don't need to wait. If somebody goes to his or her left, it means he has to wait. It's the same rules for you. For example, if I need to go to my left, I have to wait if a car comes to the straight line. Okay, so I have to wait when that car will cross, then I have to cross, and in that time I need to wait for that car. Okay, then there can be another rules is roundabout. What does mean roundabout? There is a circle, you know, like every country has this kind of circle, so like vehicles or car can drive in the circle. So in Finland the rules is if you go in the circle at first, then is your right, then the other car, they cannot come in the circle, so they has to wait for you. When you come out from that circle, then they can they can enter in the circle. So in the roundabout, so roundabout means that when you go inside the roundabout, it means it's your priority, you can drive, and if somebody is outside, he has to wait. Okay, so these are the basic rules, and if I find something else, right now I don't find anything else, whatever it came to my brain, I just told you. Now we will go to the road and I will show you what I told you in these rules. I will show you practically. Okay, so guys, let's go. And if this video helps you, put a like and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, here is another rule. To my right you can see a triangle. I told you there is a triangle to the downside. It means that if there is any car in front of me, I have to wait. Okay, so for example, there is a car in front of me, so I will wait. When this car goes, then I will go. So it is same for every car. Okay, now I will go to the right. Okay, then you can see the same thing in front of me, this triangle. It means that I have to wait for every car. Okay, so I will wait here. Now there is a car coming from the left. Okay, now there is no car. Okay, I can go. And then here I will show you another rules. Okay, so this is called roundabout. If a car inside the roundabout, in that case I have to wait. Okay, so now I can go inside the roundabout. So if I am inside the roundabout and if there is a car in front of me, everybody has to wait here. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so I will go to the right. Okay, so I will go to the right again. And one more thing, remember, if there is a bicycle or there is a pedestrian, every car has to wait for the pedestrian to cross, and then you can go. You cannot, you have to give way to every pedestrian or every bicycle. Now the same rules. There is a triangle in front of me, which means I have to wait for everyone. So to my left there is no car, so I can go. So now you can see in front of me there is a sign 50 is written. It means that the speed limit of this road is 50 km per hour. So you shouldn't go more than 50 km. And I think everybody knows what does mean red light. Okay, now there is green light. So basic rules, just drive. The speed limit of this road is 50. This is simple to follow. I think the driving in Finland is really simple. We just need to follow the rules and some sign you need to look at. That's it. So one more thing I would like to say, if there is a light and there is this traffic light is not working, for example, now we can see red light, but sometimes it happens that traffic light is not working. In that case, the rules would be like no traffic light, which means you have to follow the right hand rules. So if somebody to my right, it means you can see there is a road to the right side. If somebody comes from the right side, he will go first, then I will go. I will show you one more rules. I will go to the left. Now I have to wait for this car. Now he will cross, then I can go. Okay, so this is pretty simple rules. Okay, I will show you one more sign. You can see this triangle, so it means that I have to check to my left and to my right. So there is a sign in front of me. You can see it means that you cannot drive there. So no vehicle or bicycle can drive there. And here is a sign. It's like 30 kilometer speed. So the speed limit for this road is 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, I will go back again. So let's go back and show you few more rules. So mostly you need to follow these rules. So one more, you can see a triangle, down triangle. It means that you have to wait to your right and to your left. I don't have anyone to my right or anyone to my left, so I will go. But if somebody to your right or if a car to your left, it means that you have to wait for everyone, then you can drive. Now the same rules, there is a priority sign, a down triangle in front of you. It means that you have to wait for everyone. So you have to wait, check to your left and to your right. Okay, nobody to my left and nobody to my right. Now I can go. So it's the same rules to the other drivers. It means that if there is a car to my right and if he has this kind of triangle sign, in that case he has to wait for everyone. He cannot drive. So if you don't have this triangle, it means that you can drive. But remember, if you don't have any traffic light or any signal and there is a junction, it means that if somebody, a car to your right side, he will drive fast, and if somebody to your left side, it means he will go at the end. So first the right side guy, he will drive, and then you will drive, and then to your left he will drive. These are the most important traffic rules in Finland, and most of the times we do mistake in this kind of rules. And let's see if I can show a few more rules. Okay, so I will go to my left. It means that I have to wait for this guy. He will drive first, then I can go, because he is driving to the right side. It means that if somebody is driving to his right, he can drive first, and if you are driving to your left, you have to wait. Same rules. You can see a triangle. I will go to my right side. It means that I have to wait for every car. It means if a car comes from my left, he will go first, then I will go. Now I have to wait for this guy. Okay, and now I can drive. Nobody is to my left. So when you drive to your left or when you switch the lane, for example, I want to switch lane, I want to go to the left lane. In that case, you have to put the left indicator. Okay, so I put the left indicator to my left, and then I can drive to my to the left lane. And it's the same if you drive to your right lane, you can put the indicator, right indicator. Okay, I will go to the right, I put the right indicator, and then I go to the right. Okay, and once again we will show the roundabout. So roundabout means if there is a car inside the roundabout, you have to wait for those cars. Okay, you can see I have to wait. There is car in the roundabout, in the circle there is car, so every car has to wait. Okay, now Okay, this car already came inside the roundabout. I have to wait, and then okay, now after this bike, now I can go inside the roundabout. So if a car inside a roundabout, everybody has to wait. Okay, I will go to my right. Simple rules. If somebody is inside the roundabout, you have to wait. When he will cross, then you can go inside the roundabout. Okay, I will go to my left. I put the left indicator, and if a car comes straight from the straight, I have to wait for that car. There is no car, so I can go to my left. It is really sunny today, sunny weather. Okay, I will go to my left. So it's the same rules. If a car comes from in front of me, it means that I have to wait for that car, but there was no car, so I don't need to wait. And if you go to Helsinki city center, you have to follow these rules carefully, and when you switch the lane from one lane to another lane, you need to be careful, and you need to check if there is a car to the other lane. Okay, now I will go to my left. Now you can see there is a car, so I have to wait. Now I will wait. When all the cars cross, then I can go. Okay, but there is a car to my left. He has to wait for me. Okay, after this car I will go. Okay, but the car to my left, he has to wait for me because he is in my left hand. So this is the rules, left hand and right hand rules. Okay, here you can see there is a road from my right. If a car comes, he has to wait because there is a triangle, down triangle. And if somebody comes from my right, I have to wait for that right hand car, but there was no car, so I can drive. Okay, I will go to my left, and in this junction you will understand very clearly what it does mean, that right hand rules. Okay, if there is a car coming from my right, you can see I have to wait for that car. Okay, I will go to left. There is no car to my right, so I can drive. These are the basic rules, and there are some other rules, of course, that I don't need to mention. You will understand very easily those rules. And if you want to learn more, you can of course check a website where you can find many traffic rules, and the website is Trafficom. From this website you can see all the sign, and you can also learn. But the basic rules I mentioned in this video, those are very important for you. And if you are driving a vehicle, or if you are driving your car in Finland, you must remember these rules. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you have question, ask in the comment section. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So see you to my next video. Have a nice day, take care, and bye bye.